Hello students. Today, we are going to learn a very interesting and scoring topic in the SSB Officer Intelligence Rating Test, paper folding and paper cutting. This topic checks your visualization skills and analytical ability. Many students find it confusing, but trust me, after this session, you'll find it simple and fun. First, let us understand what happens in these problems. Imagine you have a plain piece of paper. We fold it. It could be vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Then, we make cuts or holes in the folded paper. When we unfold it, the cuts appear in symmetrical patterns. Key point you have to consider when you're solving the problem: every fold duplicates the number of cuts or holes after unfolding. Students, in SSB tests, there are two main types of questions. Paper folding. You are given a transparent sheet with a dotted line. You need to find out how the pattern looks when folded along that line. Paper cutting. A sheet is folded once or multiple times and cuts are made. You need to figure out how the sheet will look when completely opened. There's a very important formula for paper cutting questions. Number of holes after unfolding is equal to number of cuts times to number of folds. For example, if you make one cut on a sheet folded once, you get 2 holes. If you make one cut on a sheet folded twice, you get 4 holes. If you make 2 cuts on a sheet folded twice, you get 2 times 2 superscript 2 is equal to 8 holes. Tip: every fold doubles the number of holes. The steps to solve these problems are: 1. Identify the type of fold. 2. Count the number of folds. 3. Visualize the symmetry. 4. Predict how the cuts will replicate. 5. Eliminate wrong options. Every fold creates mirror images, and missing symmetry will give the wrong answer. Students often make silly mistakes in these questions. First, forgetting to count folds, wrong number of holes. Second one, ignoring symmetry patterns mismatch. Third, misplacing cuts, wrong figure chosen. Fourth, not practicing visualization leads to confusion. Fifth, rushing, always mentally unfold step by step. Tip: take 10 seconds to visualize before selecting your answer. Let's start with a simple example. A sheet is folded once vertically and one triangle cut is made. When we unfold it, we will have 2 identical triangular holes, one on each side of the fold line. Correct answer: second option. Remember, 1 vertical fold to symmetric cuts. Now, let us try a slightly tricky question. A transparent sheet has a pattern. You're asked to fold it horizontally along a dotted line and choose how it looks after folding. Here, after folding, the designs overlap perfectly. Correct answer: fourth option. Tip: for folding questions, focus on matching patterns, not counting cuts. Now, for an advanced question. You have a square transparent sheet with a printed design. It's folded diagonally, and you must predict the final figure. Solution: after folding, the designs align symmetrically along the diagonal. Correct answer: fourth option. Students, practice at least 20 to 30 questions like this to master the skill. Here's a simple trick to remember: fold once vertically and cut the letter A, you'll get 2 A's. Fold twice and cut B, you'll get 4 B's. Fold diagonally twice and cut the number 5, you'll get 4 5's. This shows how folds multiply designs. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips. Always visualize cuts in 3D, not just 2D. Practice with real paper. It improves your speed. Start with easy questions, then move to hard ones. Remember the formula and symmetry rule. Master these, and you'll score high in the SSB Officer Intelligence Rating Test. Alright students, that's all for today. Practice these techniques, and you'll crack paper folding and cutting questions with ease. See you in the next session. Jai Hind.